Okay, we're gonna be going down this one, Rua do Supico. This is the street that we're on right now. This kind of cool. There's like a temple, there's like a art burger shop, and there's a church up there, and we're kind of on this street right here, but our focus is going to be that one, so we're going to walk on up it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to walk up Rua do Supico. Got a bus coming. Got a car coming up this way. Got people going that way. Over there you can see Galaxy Casino in the background. So over there is Cotai Strip. We're going to be going up Rua do Supico. There's some beautiful trees. Let's going up. I don't know what's over here. Let's just take a look. A forest, I guess. So this one leads into, we will see. I want to tell you, but I want to also, it's gonna be cool anyways. But yeah, you got all this kind of mountain stuff all over Macau because it's one of the densest cities in the world, but it's also, there you go right here. But it's also you know, traditionally like an island, peninsula kind of thing that's in the ocean. So you have kind of mountainous feel everywhere, right? As you can see. So we're gonna keep on walking down Rua do Supico. Supica? Forget the name of it now. And this kind of rough road. There's a swimming pool over here. And there's this park up here. We're just gonna walk right up to the waterfront. But you can go up to this park and you can see a little bit of it right there. And then to the left is a swimming pool. And I never see people going across here. This is always closed, but there's a way that you could traditionally walk from that park into the swimming pool area. But definitely during COVID it has it closed. But I think it kind of goes up to like the ceiling of that building or something. It's kind of strange. So it's always been closed whenever I've been up there. Okay, so the same street, Rua do, we're gonna see a street sign in a second. Yep, still here, Rua do Supico. Supico. Dun, dun, dun. Beautiful Portuguese signs. So they're all going into the swimming pool. Here's Rua do Restauração. It's like a sports facility, but the pool in June is the main attraction, I would imagine. And this is Rua do Restauração. I used to think it meant restaurants, but I guess it means restoration. I think that's what it means. Up there is an overlook. You can overlook Taipa and Macau from up there. This is the Taipa houses, so we're going to come right into here. So these blue buildings right here, 1921. And that's 100 years ago now, 1921, 2021. So these are Taipa houses. These 1, 2, and there's one to my left as well. Giant beautiful tree. So that's the other one right there. So you got 3 of the Taipa houses. And now we're on Avenida de Praia. And those are the houses right there. And it's also the Cotai Strip right there as well. So it's Venetian Casino. The whole strip is all the way down. So you got Morpheus. That's called Grand Thai. I think that's the Wynn, Morpheus, City of Dreams, Londoner, Venetian. Then you also have this little area right here. These are lily pads and things like that. So this is like, there's art exhibitions over there as well. But now you can walk along these little this little path all the way down. And those are the type of houses over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think what we're gonna do is just end it looking back at our little street, Rua do Supico, which is right up there. Hope you like this one. Chiquinha,
yeah.